You're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a plus b multiplied by a squared plus b squared. This is equal to 85. Let's call this equation 1. We have a minus b multiplied by a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 45. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b, given that a and b, these are members of positive integers? So let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step is to divide equation 1 by equation 2. So we have equation 1, which is a plus b multiplied by a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. This is equal to 85 divided by a subtract b multiplied by a to the power of 2 subtract b to the power of 2. Now this is divided by 45. The next step is that we have a plus b multiplied by a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 divided by a subtract b. Now, a squared minus b squared, this is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a subtract b. This is equal to 85, which is actually equal to 17 multiplied by 5 divided by 45, which is 9 times 5. Let's simplify 5 and 5a. And also we have a plus b here. Let's simplify this so that now we have a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 divided by a minus b multiplied by a subtract b. This is equal to 17 over 9. So here we have a squared plus b squared divided by a minus b times a minus b. This is a subtract b raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 17 over 9. The next step is to cross multiply from here so that we have 9 multiplied by a squared plus b squared. This is equal to 17 multiplied by a subtract b raised to the power of 2. Now the next step is to open the parentheses here. 9 times a squared, this is 9a squared plus 9 times b squared, this is 9b to the power of 2. This is equal to 17. Let us expand a minus b to the power of 2. This is a squared plus b squared subtract 2ab. So we have 9a squared plus 9b squared. This is equal to 17 times a squared. This is 17 a to the power of 2 plus 17 b to the power of 2 subtract 17 times 2ab. This is minus 34 ab. So the next step is to take 9a squared plus 9b squared on the right hand side. So what we have is 17a squared plus 17b squared minus 34ab subtract 9a squared minus 9b squared. This is equal to 0. So we have 17a squared minus 9a squared. This is equal to 8a to the power of 2, then plus 17b squared minus 9b squared. This is 8b to the power of 2, then subtract 34ab. This is equal to 0. We have that 2 is common here. We can factor out 2 so that 8a squared divided by 2, this is 4a to the power of 2 plus 8b squared divided by 2, this is 4 b to the power of 2, subtract 17ab, this is equal to 0. Let's divide both sides by 2, so that now we have 4a squared subtract 17ab plus 4b to the power of 2, this is equal to 0. We can express minus 17ab, this is the same thing as minus 16ab subtract ab plus 4b to the power of 2, this is equal to 0. So we have got two parts here. 4a is common. Let's factor out 4a into the parentheses. 4a squared divided by 4a, this is a, minus, now we have 16ab divided by 4a, this is 4b, then subtract. Now in the second part here, we have that b is common. Let's factor out b, so that here we have a subtract 4b, this is equal to 0. A minus 4b is common here, so let's factor out a subtract 4b, multiplied by 4a subtract b, this is equal to 0. So we have got two cases here. We have case 1, a subtract 4b, this is equal to 0. In case 2, we have 4a subtract b, this is equal to 0. So this is to mean that a is equal to 4b, and we have b is equal to 4a. So this is case 1 and this is case 2. Now, if you recall from equation 1, which is a plus b multiplied by a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, this is equal to 85. So let's start with case 1. In case 1, we have a is equal to 4b. So let's substitute 4b where we have a. So we have 4b plus b multiplied by, this is 4b raised to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. So 4b plus b, this is 5b multiplied by, this is 4b to the power of 2. This is 16b to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. So we have 5b multiplied by 16b squared plus b squared. This is 17b to the power of 2, and this is equal to 85. 5b times 17b squared, this is 85. b to the power of 3, this is equal to 85. Let's divide on both sides by 85, so that now we have b to the power of 3, this is equal to 1. To solve for b, let's introduce, this is the cube root on both sides. We have the cube root of b to the power of 3, this is equal to the cube root of 1. So this implies that b is equal to 1. We have the value of b in case 1 is equal to 1. We have that a is equal to 4 times b. So this means this is 4 multiplied by 1, which means that the value of a is equal to 4. So we have the first set of solution here, that is a1 comma b1. This is equal to 4 comma 1. So this is the first set of solution that we have under case 1. So let's proceed to case 2 from here. In case 2, we have b is equal to 4a. Now, if you recall, we have that a plus b multiplying by a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. So let's substitute b, which is 4a. We have a plus 4a multiplying by a to the power of 2 plus 4a raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. So a plus 4a, this is 5a multiplying by a to the power of 2 plus 4a to the power of 2. This is 16. A to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. So we have 5a multiplying by a squared plus 16a squared. This is 17a to the power of 2. This is equal to 85. 5a times 17a squared. This is 85. A to the power of 3. This is equal to 85. Let's divide on both sides by 85. And this indicates that a to the power of 3, this is equal to 1. Now let's introduce the cube root on both sides. So this is equal to the cube root of 1. And this means that a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. We have that b is equal to 4 multiplied by a. So this is to mean that this is a2. Now b2 will be equal to 4 times 1. So we have b2, which is equal to 4. So the second set of solution here, we have a2 comma b2, which is equal to 1 comma 4. So this is the second set of solution that we have under case 2. So we have got two sets of solution for this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.